Sound effects that VTubers use in their videos. Part 7. Japanese drum sound effect. Pretty good sound effect if you want to get the audience's attention on the video. Hey, pay attention! Water droplet sound effect. I think my favorite way of using this sound effect is when someone falls really hard into the water, but instead of that, we make it sound like a tiny little water droplet. Gary's Mod Ragdoll sound effect. God, this game brings back memories, man. But yeah, I like using this when something in the game is glitching out, especially when the model is clipping into the wall or when the model is having a mild stroke. Works pretty well. Holy sound effect. I think I'm just gonna insert this Fortnite gold scar meme, and you just kinda, you'll know what I mean here. Like and sub if this video helped you, and if you want more sound effects,